I'm Joanna and thanks for visiting Journey Through Wellness. Today I want to share with you a brilliant supplement. If you are a diabetic, if you have blood sugar dysregulation, if you have problems with carbohydrate cravings, if you have issues with your metabolism, then listen up. This is a nutrient that you must know about. So the nutrient I'm talking about is chromium picolinate. The one that I have here is the Now brand of chromium picolinate. It's 200 micrograms per capsule, which is a good therapeutic dose. Chromium is also known as glucose tolerance factor, or GTF, and it's important for energy metabolism. If you have sugar or carbohydrate cravings, every time you eat a fast glycemic carbohydrate, your sugar levels will spike and your pancreas will release insulin to help reduce the level of the glucose that you've just eaten. The interesting thing about chromium is that your body needs it whenever to metabolize proteins, fats and carbohydrates. But if you eat carbohydrates excessively, if you're addicted to it, like most of us are at one time or another, it actually depletes our body of chromium and therefore it creates a deficiency. So it's like this cycle that you can never get off of. The brilliant thing about chromium also is for people who are struggling to lose weight. So it's going to help you with weight loss efforts and it's going to help you maintain muscle mass. So if you go into the gym and these are the issues for you, definitely consider chromium. So people with type 2 diabetes, their bodies aren't sensitive to their own insulin. So their pancreas is producing little bits of insulin that helps regulate their glucose levels, but obviously not enough. So chromium is an essential nutrient for these people to help them regulate the blood sugar levels and to help them become more sensitive to the insulin that their pancreas is still making, and therefore potentially reducing the need for medication or lessening their need for medication. Chromium is also something to be considered by mothers who may be experiencing gestational diabetes, which is basically they're unable to regulate their blood sugar levels and they might have to take injections. They have diabetes just during the period of pregnancy. So chromium is something that you need to discuss with your health practitioner or bring it to the attention of your doctor, because I'm sure they're aware of the link between chromium deficiency and diabetes. So people who participate in vigorous exercise, people who are at the gym all the time or athletes, and people who consume a lot of refined carbohydrates or are addicted to that, they generally have a much higher requirement for chromium. So all minerals come in varying forms and they're all absorbed a little bit differently. So the form that the picolinate comes in makes it easier for the chromium to travel across the membrane so it can be absorbed and utilised properly. I recommend the Now Picolinate because 200 micrograms per capsule, is a good starting point. I personally take 2. Some people might need to take 3, but you'll notice even after a couple of days, your carbohydrate cravings, your sugar cravings will definitely be buffered, and you just won't be getting the munchies. You just won't be thinking about breads, chocolates, cakes. You'll just notice that edge has just been taken off. So just in summary about chromium picolinate and who this nutrient is useful for. So people who exercise vigorously, people who go in the gym all the time, people who struggle to lose weight, any diabetics, pre-diabetics, hypoglycaemics, people who have trouble regulating their blood sugar levels, people with any sort of metabolism and energy disorder, and also mothers who are experiencing gestational diabetes, people who have cholesterol levels. So there are many uses that this fantastic nutrient, chromium picolinate, can assist you. Thanks for watching my chromium picolinate product review, the Now brand, and I look forward to sharing some more useful tips about nutritional supplements that can benefit you.